celebrating the birthday of Tess, Rosel, Presi, Marilu, Rhea, Budel, Emma, Sondi, Irene, Agnes, and Susan.
Everybody.
I would like to say again happy birthday to our dear Tess, and we wish you all the happiness in life and good health always, my dear.
Okay. Emma is going. Emma is going with us.
She said you're going.
You're going.
Oh, sige, sabi mo yung time.
And Ali is going.
Ali going, yeah.
I'm going without my wife!
Amerika na lang.
Naya ko sa side view.
Nakuha na lang ako.
$75 sa
Oh, yan, yan, yan.
So every week